Hi everyone, I hope we're all doing well. Welcome back to my channel. I am your favorite YouTuber, coach, and course creator. Today we're going to be talking about just being, and it will manifest. But before we get into it, you are more than welcome to subscribe. On this channel, I talk about all things law of assumption. So if that sounds good to you, I would love to have you here. You are also more than welcome to enroll in my Manifest Your SP course or the Perfect Self-Concept course. The Perfect Self-Concept course goes hand in hand with just manifesting anything that you want instantly and being it and knowing of your power. In these 7 modules, I will take you through my personal process of having a perfect self-concept. You will not just have the perfect self-concept, you will maintain it for the rest of your life with my practices. I include meditations, weekly affirmations, homework, and about 1 hour to 90 minutes videos per week, guiding you in explicit detail about how to do this with my own very personal examples that I've never shared before, and I never will because they're very personal. So to enroll today, simply go on ritakaminski.com/courses or click on the very first link in the description box down below. I also offer one-on-one coaching, so if you'd like to speak with me one-on-one about your personal situation where I can guide you through a manifesting routine and let you know that everything is absolutely perfect in your life and guide you on how to manifest everything that you specifically want in regards to your own specific situation, sign up today at ritakaminski.com/coaching. I have actually set up recurring payments for my coaching as well, which is super exciting. You can also just click the 3rd link in the description box down below to sign up, and we'll be talking in about 12 to 48 hours. How fun is that? If you would like to join collective coaching, just click the join button right next to my YouTube name or click on the 4th link in the description box down below. I answer your questions on all things law of assumption, and you will already have about 100 hours of exclusive content from me where I answer questions on questions on questions in detail, and you will more likely than not have your or multiple of your questions answered in the videos that I have already provided. You will have a community to grow and expand with, which is so fun. We have a Discord, group chat, and you will learn so much from all of the detailed explanations via very specific situations in people's lives, where you will be able to learn more about the law of assumption in different angles, not just a generic explanation in a YouTube video. And with that, I intend for this video to change your absolute life for the best. Let's get into it. I talked about this in a collective coaching members only video recently, where someone asked me, Rita, I had a dream about all of my hair falling off and I'm manifesting really long, thick hair. What does that mean? And to that, I told them it means nothing. Because when you're being the person with long, thick hair, nothing will affect you because you're already being that person. For example, let's say you identify as a female, a girl, right? Imagine you have a dream that you have a sexual reassignment surgery, or someone on the street says you are a male, or you begin having doubts in your own mind. Am I a male or am I a female, based on not how you identify with, but how you were born, let's say. I'm not talking about identifying as a female when you are biologically born a male. Stay with me here. So when you know in your heart of hearts that you're a girl and you just have this one random thought, like, was I biologically born a female or a male? Or you have a dream, or someone tells you that you're a male. whatever. You won't give that dream, that person, that thought any light of day. You will laugh it off because you know for a fact that you were born a female. You identify as a female. You are a female. And that's the end of that. When you are being something, no dream or person or doubt can tell you anything because you already are that in this present moment. So take this for anything that you are trying to manifest right now. You are the person that in this current reality has a boyfriend who is financially free, who has a multi-million-dollar business, who is a famous, successful pop star, who is a multi-millionaire, whatever you want. When you be it right now, the reality has no choice but to line up with that. This can happen in a multitude of ways, and it's not your job to figure out how. Based on your resistance, it could happen in a logical way. So let's say you're manifesting a boyfriend and in your logical way, you want to go on Hinge because you are inspired to do so. If you want to check out my inspired action video, my most recent one, click here on what is inspired action and how to know if you are doing something based on inspired action or action based out of fear and lack, desperation, whatever. That can manifest through that way. Or you can manifest through it just falling into your lap, through quantum shifting. The thing is that once you have decided that you are the person that has a boyfriend right now, it doesn't matter anymore how it's gonna come to you because it will just do that, and your constant trying to figure it out is stopping that. So what we wanna do is do what makes us feel happy on a moment-to-moment basis, and wherever we're thinking about where's my boyfriend, you just remind yourself, I have my boyfriend now, and that's it. In any way that you want. So it's not about constructing affirmations. It's about when you are fully distracted, when you are busy in the office, or when you are at the gym and one thought just feels like a stab to your brain, like, but you don't have a boyfriend, right? What is the first thing that you will tell yourself if you are being that? I actually have a boyfriend now. That would be my go-to. That's not a specific affirmation that you find on X. It's just something that you naturally think when you're telling yourself, oh, I actually do have a boyfriend. So whatever the first thing that pops up in your mind should be your go-to affirmation. Let's not make it complicated because it's not. So then you're going on about your day again. And whenever that thing pops up in your mind, you're just telling yourself, I have a boyfriend now. Thank you. When you relax into your resistance and when you follow what makes you feel good all the time, you are going to forget about the doubts or the what ifs. You will just be living your best life, just how you would be living it if you actually in reality did have a boyfriend. We're not waiting for the reality to catch up because we're saturating our minds with the fact that we do have a boyfriend, but we're doing that in a sense where we're reminding ourselves that we have it now. So it's not waiting because you know that you have it now. It's like, I am doing what I want to do in this moment, what makes me the happiest to do, or the least resistant to do, or the easiest to do, whatever you resonate with the most. And I know that I have my boyfriend now, and I'm not looking for the results because you already have the results because you have it now. You have to consistently keep validating yourself in your mind that you have a boyfriend, that you're 60 kilograms, that you're a multimillionaire, whatever it is. When you be, the 3D reality has no choice but to catch up. And you have to ask yourself, am I in a lower vibration or a high vibration? If you're in a low vibration, distract yourself as much as possible by doing what makes you happy. Whenever you think about it, just say, it's already done, or I have my manifestation now, I have my boyfriend now, I am a multi-millionaire now, whatever it is. If you're in a high vibration, you will more likely want to do these affirmations. I would suggest to saturate your mind as much as possible at that point, if that feels right to you, because the more you saturate your mind, the more you're reminding yourself that you already are that person who has this thing. So it's all about being. But when you're in a low vibration, like, you're still being that thing, even if you're not actively manifesting it, because you're doing what makes you happy. So you're kind of acting as if you already have it, because you're distracting yourself from the lack. You are becoming a happy person because you're doing what makes you feel good. And here and there, whenever it feels good, just remind yourself, it's already done. Be as generic as possible, because we don't want to be resistant. We don't want to be continually questioning ourselves and being like, where is it? Whatever. We just know and trust that we have it. This is where my Perfect Self-Concept course will be perfect for you, because you will trust and know that I'm the operant power and I can manifest this instantly right now by being. So I don't need to continue to panic, have painful thoughts, be in doubt all the time, be resistant all the time. I can just do my thing because I know that I already have it now. You're strengthening that knowingness. It's all about just being. Being the person that has their manifestation, who's living out their life as though they have their manifestation. In this reality, it is quantum jumping. It is. Each time you remind yourself that you already have it, you are quantum jumping into that state of the wish fulfilled. That's it. Keep going back to that. Keep being in that state, and it will manifest. And with that being said, I trust that this video gave you the guidance that you needed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, because I know you loved it. I hope you have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone.